and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went to CVS. It's been a while since I've been to CVS. I just kind of needed a CVS break, and I feel like the CVS sales have not been the greatest from what I've seen, and I'm just like, I don't know. It literally is a 20-minute drive for me just to go to CVS, and which is fine. I don't mind it, but it's just like, I don't know. I'm kind of just sick of doing the same deals over and over again, which sometimes they're good deals and sometimes they're not. But the last time I was at CVS, you guys, was on Thanksgiving. I went there right when they opened, but I never showed you guys my Thanksgiving video because we had to leave and get out of the door to go to my parents' house. So I just like, I'm not gonna film that video, but it's been a while since I've been to CVS. But I did some deals. I wanted to do a lot more, but I just didn't have the right coupons for it because the coupons I've ordered are delayed in the mail because of the whole holidays. It just delays it, which I'm not complaining about. So there is that. I may or may not go back. It all depends. But I ended up getting the Nice and Easy hair dye. I got some blonde hair dye because my mom's blonde. So these were $8.29. I used the buy one get one free coupon, but the coupon takes up to $7.99 off. You guys would pay $8.59 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 back ECB, making it $3.59 or just $1.79. So if you guys are interested in hair dye, go for it. I think I've used the Nice and Easy. I can't remember. I do gotta dye my hair. I haven't dyed my hair since May, but I don't want to lose my highlights. But like up here, it's just looking like crap. But I'll do it eventually when I got some ambition. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I was going to do the Colgate toothpaste, but then the Colgate coupon said it was for everything except the Max Fresh. So there is nixed that idea, and I don't even know if there's even Colgate coupons that were supposed to come out. And if they were, I didn't get any in my inserts, which was kind of weird. So took that deal out. I ended up doing the Covergirl deal. Now I ended up getting the Peacock mascara for $10.49, and then I got the eyebrow pencils for $4.99. I used two $3 off coupons. Now, I can't remember if the coupons worked fine or not. I don't remember. But I used two of the $3 off coupons from coupons.com. You guys, I also used a 4 off of 14 makeup CRT. So I paid $5.48 for both of these. But then I got $8 back in an ECB, making it $2.52 moneymaker. So I got these absolutely free. So that is what I like, when I can hear things for free. So, got that for you guys. And then I got a $5 off Honest Baby, and I'm like, oh, sweet. Nope, my store doesn't sell Honest brand anymore, and I don't know if there's any stores in my area that still does, but there's a good CRT that I could have used for like baby wipes, so had to get rid of that. But then I had a $5 off Almay CRT, and I'm like, wow, $5 off. So I ended up getting just this Almay makeup eraser sticks. They basically look like Q-tips. I thought, why not just give them a try? So these were $6.29. I used that $5 off CRT, making it just $1.29. So I'm like, whatever. But these are liquid filled sticks. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize they were liquid. So basically what you do is you just break something off and then the liquid comes off, and it just kind of takes certain spots. So then you don't have to use a whole makeup remover. I'm an idiot. So we got that going on. So wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much all I got at CVS. Like, it's that bad. I just didn't have the right coupons. I did want to do the whole blends. I wanted to do the Garnier Fructis, but I didn't have those coupons. So that's okay. I may or may not go back. But my total came to 30 cents. 30 cents. I used $15.66 worth of ECBs, but then I received $13 back of ECBs, making everything just $2.36. I only got 5 items. That comes out to be 47 cents a piece. So 47 cents a piece for everything, I think, is a pretty good deal. But yes, that is everything that I got. I know it's not the greatest, but hey, I'm happy to share with you guys what I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.